Today is a lovely day, very sunny, and because it's spring, we're going to look for stinging nettle. Looks like we found a really, really big patch in the back garden. Look at that, Sarah. Very, very good. And there's a few baby ones over there. You go for it.
Okay, there you go.
Got my garden gloves. Very easy to recognize, just touch it with your fingers and you'll know. The best bits are definitely the end bits, like that, the smaller leaves. Because the bigger leaves tend to be quite stringy and fibrous, which is not very nice in soup. And they taste a lot more buttery. The older nettle tends to taste a bit more bitter. You've had my soup before, Sarah?
I have, it was very good. And you didn't even pay me to say that. Good pile.
Good pile,
How many
yeah.
do you need?
Just about a bag would be more than enough. This is ideal.
Yeah.
This bit's there. Really, really good. Finding lots of bugs, lots of ladybugs. We're going to wash them, obviously.
Probably a good idea to wash them. Not to mention the cat pee.
Oh, yes.
I think the really young ones are the best.
Yeah.
I think you can actually make cord out of stinging nettles. You can make stinging nettle cordage with the fibrous parts.
Apparently some people are making clothes out of them, like hemp.
I
Again,
think it's possible. I'm not sure that many people are doing it. But
got quite a fair bit. It took only 5 minutes to pick them up. It's great. It's brilliant.
excellent.
And now we're going to go and wash them and make interesting things with them.
Okay, good.